Hello, fellow traders. So, yeah, sometimes, more often than I would like to, I'm getting it wrong, and yesterday was it. Um, I did not foresee this coming, but it did happen. Today we have an hour direction change, but just let's see what happens. It might go way to 29 and then bounce back, or 23 and then bounce back. Let's see what happens. I already committed to a trade and it's a short on it. I will wait a few days to kind of gain my plus back. Usually I don't, I take my losses, but on this case it's like too early to say this is a bad trade because it's VIX, so it's gonna go down at least for a few days. Another trade I wanted to show you was actually this one, SQM, which is Sociedad something minor company, but it looks very promising because we failed to take out the quarterly. See, this is the quarterly, then we failed to take out the monthly. On the weekly though, it's not time just yet, so I would wait until it bounces down a bit and then trade it up because if we close this week might go up, but I will just wait for a small retracement and then this looks like it's gonna explode. Alright, good luck out there.